Step 1. Calculate the velocity of point A, VA. The velocity of point A is pointing to the right in x direction. A is rotating about O, so use the equation for rotation. RA/O is pointing in positive direction of y-axis. Given omega OA is 12 rad per second clockwise, therefore omega OA is minus 12 K. Substitute all the values in the equation. K cross J is negative I, so VA is equal to 2.4 I meter per second. Step 2 is to calculate the velocity of point B, VB. The rod AB undergoes general plane motion, so use the general plane motion equation. Starts with calculating the position of B with respect to A, RB/A. Omega AB is not given, so we will assume that it is positive. Therefore, the vector omega AB is equal to omega ABK. Take the value of VA from previous calculation. Now substitute all the values in the equation of VB. We know that K cross I is positive J. Remember that all variables have to be converted into unit vector form. Since VB is moving at an angle, it will have both I and J components. Use the given angle of 30 degrees to get the I and J components of VB. Now substitute all the variables in unit vector form into the equation. You can rearrange those with variable on one side, those without variables on the other side, and separate them into I and J components. Finally, use your calculator to solve simultaneous equations. You will get VB equals to 2.771 meter per second and omega AB equals to 1.732 rad per second.